Hey, Kathleen here. I am going to review for you this Mylan widespread faucet from Delta. And there's a couple things that I like about it right off the bat. And I have this in both my master bathroom and my kid bathroom. That's how much I liked it. It is spot resistant. That's number one. I always look for spot resistant. It knocks a lot of contenders out. And the other thing I really wanted was a cool neckline, and this one has a cool neck. It's not too high. I was afraid that a really high one might splash more. This one is kind of just subdued, but really interesting and really pretty. And I liked the fact that it kind of crossed between modern and classic style. The other thing I really was looking for was a drain system like this. So you can see here, it goes up and down, and I do have to press here just to get a good seal. Turn on the water so you can see that it seals well. So it seals really well, and as part of the drain system, if you drop a ring down, there's something there that will catch it underneath so that it won't go into your pipe. So that would easily be retrieved. So those are the things that I loved about it, and I did put this in both my bathrooms.